Icon Accounting, connecting contractors. In this video, you will learn about claiming tax relief on the purchase of your electric vehicle as a limited company owner. As a limited company owner, you have options to purchase assets through your company for business use in a tax-efficient way. Purchasing an electric vehicle through your company can prove highly tax-efficient. We've rounded up what you need to know as you consider whether an electric vehicle is for you and your business. Are there caps on the cost of the electric vehicle I can purchase? Where an electric vehicle is purchased through your limited company, you may claim tax relief on the full cost of the purchase in the first year up to €24,000. Anything above that amount is then liable to corporation tax. How is this different to a non-electrical vehicle purchase? Although you can write off up to €24,000 on a non-electrical company vehicle, the full amount is written off over 8 years at 12.5% per annum, rather than the option to write off the full amount in year 1 for an electrical vehicle. This would equal a write-off of €3,000 per year. Let's look at an example of how this works. A limited company owner purchases an electric vehicle in 2021 for €23,500. Option A, they can write off the full purchase price in year 1. Or option B, they can write off the total cost over 8 years at €2,937 per year, or 12.5% of €23,500. Let's look at another example. A limited company owner purchases an electric vehicle in 2021 for €40,000. Option A, to write off €24,000 in full in year 1. In this case, the balance of €16,000 is not treated as an allowance against corporation tax. You can still use company funds to pay the full €40,000, however, you will have a corporation tax charge of 12.5% of €16,000, €2,000 in year 1, and zero corporation tax in the following year. Or, option B in this example is to write off 12.5% of €24,000 over 8 years at €3,000 per annum. The remaining €16,000 is not treated as an allowance against corporation tax. You can use company funds to pay this, but will be liable to pay corporation tax charges of 12.5% of €16,000 or €2,000. So what's the verdict? There are tax relief benefits when purchasing an electric vehicle, but it is important to understand the thresholds, as anything over the allowable amounts will result in you paying corporation tax on the remaining amount of the purchase. That's anything above €24,000. It is important to also note that benefit in kind tax will apply to any electrical vehicle purchased with a market value over €50,000. If you are still undecided on whether purchasing an electrical vehicle is right for you in your company, let our expert team help advise you in your particular circumstances. We'd be delighted to help. Talk to us on info@iconaccounting.ie or on 018077 106.